What's going on, guys? Corey from Yoda Expedition. I wanted to talk to you really quick about one of the accessories that you can get for your rear window panels from Sherpa. These are the traction board mounts, so these mount right to the side of your rear window panels, and now you can go ahead and mount a set of traction boards on the outside of your 4Runner instead of using them, getting them all muddy, and then throwing them in the back, which nobody wants to do. And if you have a bunch of stuff on your roof from a tent or anything like that, you might not have room for them up there, so this is a great solution for that. So if you guys are interested in the traction board mounts for your window panel, they're available on yodaexpedition.com. I'll put the link down in the description for them, as well as a full installation video that we did. Now we just need to go get stuck and actually use these things. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.